We're now entering the fourth and final day of this landmark hearing, Al-Haq versus Secretary of State for Business and Trade, a case that asks a simple but urgent question. Should Britain continue to arm a state accused of committing unspeakable atrocities? As we've sat in court this week, Gaza has descended into yet deeper horrors. Since Israel tightened its siege on March 1st, the World Health Organization reported that at least 57 children have starved to death. In plain sight of the world, while we've been arguing points of law, over 200 people have been killed in Israeli attacks. This is a week of shame. And here in the UK, we have witnessed a different kind of degradation. We have seen how far this government is willing to bend, to obscure, to excuse, in order to justify the continued supply of weapons to Israel. There are three things that you should know. First, the UK government wants to have it both ways. In Parliament this week, ministers claimed it is for the courts to decide whether Britain is complying with its legal obligations. Yet in this very courtroom, their lawyers argued the opposite, that such matters are not for the judiciary to examine. So which is it? We say, if not Parliament and if not the courts, then who does this government answer to? Second, the government showcased what it claims is a rigorous process, a review of whether Israel is breaching international law. But what we saw instead was a methodology riddled with blind spots, evasions and failures. By September 2024, at the time of the decision under challenge, Israel had killed 40,000 Palestinians and launched over 10,000 airstrikes on Gaza. The UK government examined just 413 of these incidents, and of those it found only one possible violation of international humanitarian law. And what was that one exception? The drone attack that killed foreign workers from the World Central Kitchen. When international workers were killed, the alarm was finally sounded. But when it is Palestinians, children, medics, entire families, the system remains silent. This is a calculated blindness to Palestinian life. Third, the UK government has failed to disclose key documents, one chillingly entitled Research Report, Long-Range Shootings and Shootings of Minors. We have never seen it. And yet the government claims, in the face of mounting evidence, that it sees no evidence of deliberate targeting of women and children, and therefore it assesses that there is no serious risk of genocide.